Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 GMC Sierra K3500 Denali. It's a 6.6 liter diesel. The Duramax Turbodiesel. And that is sounding smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have a number of LED headlight surrounds and such. Any of the LEDs that appear to flicker, that's the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing you that disco party. They don't flicker to the human eye. You see that it does have the tow hooks up front, fog lights, alloy wheels. This one's also going to have a sunroof. It is the Denali package. You got the step sides and the steps in the bumper and the tricked out tailgate. Spray on Bedliner. And you also have, actually this has the fifth wheel prep and the power sliding back window. Okay, so I'll go ahead and close up this tailgate. And there's your tow package right there. This also has the heads-up display. And the heads-up display in this one is a little nicer. It is actually basically a reflection of part of the instrument panel instead of a couple digital displays. I really like this one. And then you see right here you have a ton of space back here. Leather interior, and these rear seats are heated, as you see here. A 12-volt outlet there, 2 USBs. And there was a little bit of there are 2 scratches right here on these windows, and I will take additional pictures of some of these imperfections so that you can make an educated buying decision. See, it does have a Bose sound system and 2 driver presets. And then here's the VIN right here. All right. So as you look down here, this panel right here that's totally selectable by this, but that is what will be displayed up here in that heads-up display. And so it's difficult to see on the camera, but it's an awesome heads-up display. But here are your cruise controls, your steering wheel heater, and then your stereo controls are actually on the opposite side of the steering wheel that you would control with your fingertips. And then you've got your push to talk, your trip computer toggles right here. And then we have your push button ignition right there. And your key fob. And that has remote start on your key fob. And then your trailering, 12 volt and 110 right there, 110 volt outlet. And then you have a wireless phone charger right here, and then cup holders, and you have 2 glove compartments, which the bottom one is lockable. And you come over here and you'll see that it's equipped with navigation, and you have cooled or heated front seats. And we just ran Ragnar's, the TJ Chapman auto racing team, and so my back is hurting a little bit, so I have the heated seat on right now, and it feels really good on my lower back. And so at any rate, as we come over here, you'll see that it does have navigation, and there's your stereo, of which you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and other apps associated with Bluetooth. There's your sources, and then you can jump on back home and scroll through the apps as well. And your cameras, so you do have a 360-degree camera and a backup camera here, but then you can also jump over to your trailering for your guides, and then you can jump here to this is your load camera, and then this would actually be your ball and hitch camera. So some awesome views. You can see what's behind you, so you don't have to actually throw it into reverse to see what's going on around you. And then you have your Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and jump to your navigation right there. And as you come up here, you're gonna have your map reading lights, and your controls for your sunroof and for your power sliding back window. All right, and that about wraps it up for this GMC on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact with another vehicle that resulted in some damage on the driver front quarter panel, on the passenger front quarter panel, and it ended up having a little bit of undercarriage damage and a little bit here in the back center. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. So let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. Okay, welcome to the test drive portion of this video. And so we're just gonna go ahead and put it in reverse. And I'll show you how that works. So we did have that little post that we went past, and then you have your 360-degree cameras. And we'll just go ahead and go forward at around this Model 3 and minivan, and those cameras just are so awesome for threading the needle. And if you're ever backing up a trailer, this camera system is absolutely amazing. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and jump to navigation so we can make sure that's calibrated correctly while we're out driving around. So go ahead and listen. We're gonna go ahead and turn left. Okay, that sounded nice and quiet. The heads-up display looks great. Might be difficult to see in the camera, but we are about to drive onto a very rough road, and so we're going to be listening for any abnormalities. If the suspension is loose, we'll know it. If anything is loose, we'll know it. If we have any issues with the knuckles or the tie rods or anything like that, we're gonna hear it on this test drive. It has excellent power that's shifting really well. I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the seat. And those are all working really well, the seat adjustments, and come up here on this railroad crossing. And everything is super quiet. Steering is tight. Alignment is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this until we get to the on-ramp. Okay, we're back. Getting on the on-ramp. I'm gonna let this guy have a little bit of room just so I can feel that pickup, and it is definitely there. Because we have this guy in front of us, can't really get a feel for its quickness. So we're gonna go ahead and get on this freeway, get up to freeway speed, listen for anything out of the ordinary, for whistles, any vibrations, and then we'll go ahead and go to the off-ramp and we'll test the brakes. So right now we're at 60. I'd like to thank Adele for coming along with us, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn that down so that we can listen at freeway speed. You see right now we're at 70. And everything sounds good and quiet, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this back on once we get to the off-ramp. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this off-ramp. And there is someone behind us, so we're gonna wait a while before we step on these brakes. Coming up on this stop sign, stepping on the brakes, and everything was quiet, worked really well, the brakes were smooth. So once this vehicle passes, we'll go ahead and turn around, get back on the freeway so that you can see some acceleration from this truck. This 6.6 liter is just an absolute beast to drive. It's awesome. You know, do any sort of towing, this is absolutely what you want. Okay, so here we go. Okay, and you're at freeway speed. So, couldn't even feel if it was uphill or downhill. It was an uphill incline, but you'd never know with how it accelerated. So, that concludes our test drive. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.